The legend of Chukwuka. Chukwuka is a boy. Chukwuka entered the forest. Chukwuka was beaten by a werewolf. Chukwuka's mom picked up a knife to stab Chukwuka. Chukwuka is a werewolf.
Good one.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, read yours.
Okay, sir.
Read that part to the class.
The legend of Chukwuka.
That one, yeah.
Chukwuka is a boy. Chukwuka entered the forest.
Okay.
Chukwuka was beaten by a werewolf.
Werewolf.
By a werewolf.
Yeah.
Chukwuka's mother picked up a
Knife.
A knife to stab Chukwuka. Chukwuka is a
Go ahead.
Chukwuka is a werewolf.
Thanks for watching our video, and importantly, please subscribe. See, it's so easy to subscribe. You can click here, you can see a box here, just click on it. You see the subscribe button, click on it. That's all. Love you. Mwah!